Hey guys, okay, so this is the new Candy Bar Signature Ice Latte. It's the Candy Bar Signature Ice Latte. I did not make any changes to however they make this latte, except I did not want the candy on top. So when you go to Dunkin, there's a whole bunch of candy on top, like sprinkles. I don't like to chew or crunch stuff in my coffee, so I told her no candy on top. But I did not change anything else when it comes to it. I had points, so this was free. Y'all, I had no idea that Dunkin does like Starbucks, and they probably just started this, where you lose points after a while. I was just stocking up my points. Let's taste it. And I noticed it said, oh, I'm going to lose like, I think like 3,300 points. I said by October 31st, and today it's the 22nd. So Monday, I used it for hot coffee. Today, I'm using it for my iced coffee. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use all of them points before the 31st, because I only got like, what, 6-7 days? But I don't like that. Like, if I earn the points, let me keep the points. Why are y'all saying I have to use? What if I want to save all my points? Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I like the whipped cream. Okay, let's go. I like it. If you liked it, the cereal and was it cereal and milk? And this one still has the cereal and milk sign up, but they said it's discontinued. I don't know why they don't take the sign down. But if you like the cereal and milk, you will like this one. It's already sweet. You don't need to change it. You don't need to add anything to it. I'm gonna add probably like a quarter of this protein shake to it. After I drink some of it down. That's how I've been getting my protein in, because I don't get much protein, and the doctor said that I need more. So I get these from the Dollar Tree because it's expensive in the store, and I'm gonna put like just a quarter of it, not all of it, like a quarter of it in there. And then tomorrow or the next day, I'll use the rest, because I don't get iced coffee every day. I've been putting this in iced coffee. Now, I have seen some people putting this on TikTok in their hot coffee. I haven't mastered, excuse me, yet how to put this in my hot coffee. But for iced coffee, it's just like an additional creamer. It's good. I like that. I'll tell y'all what comes in it. 3 candy bar swirls, milk, the whipped cream, the mocha drizzle, and it says candy bar on top, but I didn't get the candy bar on top. But I'm going to drink it down some, and then I'm going to add this. And I got a medium because that's what was free with my points. So I'm going to see how many more. And I got a donut. So I'm going to see how many points I can use up, even if I have to just take some munchkins to the office for the ladies. I know all of them are doing some type of diet challenge right now. So they might kill me if I take some munchkins to the office, okay? But why give away my points when I earned them? We'll see. Yeah, so that tastes really good. So y'all run and get it while you run and get it, because they keep taking stuff away, but the sign's still up. I'm not a pumpkin person. Pumpkin is out now. I am not a pumpkin person at all. Somebody told me to try pumpkin with butter pecan or pumpkin with caramel. I ain't feeling it. Y'all let me know. I'm just not feeling it. I've never been a pumpkin person. But the cookie bar, we're going to rock with it. We're going to head on to work. We're going to rock with it.